cold open. Imagine yourself lounging in your pajamas, sipping on a hot cup of joe, and running a seven-figure business from your laptop. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Welcome to the world of online service businesses, where the commute is as short as walking to your home office and the dress code is as casual as your favorite pair of sweatpants. Who benefits from this? Well, anyone with a skill to share and a little entrepreneurial spirit. Graphic designers, writers, consultants, the list goes on. If you can do it remotely, you can turn it into an online service business. The next steps are simple. Identify what you're good at, build a website, market your services, and watch as your client list grows. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your online empire. It takes grit, determination, and a good sense of humor. After all, who said building a seven-figure business couldn't be fun? So, put down that TV remote, pick up your laptop, and start your online service business today. You never know, you might just become the next big thing in the world of pajama entrepreneurs. Now, wouldn't that be something?